Hi everyone, my name is Sacha, and today I hope you're all having a great day. I'm going to be explaining to you guys my journey of entrepreneurship as a teen, and I'm going to be explaining to you my story and trying to show you guys how you can start your own journey of entrepreneurship, either as a teenager, young adult, or really at any age. And yeah, let's get right into it. So, what is my brand? Essentially, I developed a server on a game which utilizes the power of a dedicated machine to host players on the game where really anybody can join through an IP address and they can essentially play on the game that I created. So I developed a server that consists of different ranks, perks. If I didn't mention, it's called on the game called Minecraft, and essentially players can log on to the server, have fun, play with their friends. They can spend money on items that they find interesting, or essentially buy perks that gives them advantage over other competing players, and that has been able to generate a revenue for me of about $40,000 a year annually. As you can see, from 2020 to 2021, this is a month off, but that's okay. It's around $40,000 annually. And yeah, so that's essentially what I've created, and that is my brand. And it is called Fierce PvP. And I'll show you guys the website in a second. Alrighty guys, so this is our website. Essentially, it's just used to bring a web aspect into the business. I would show you guys our store just to show you guys how we're making money, but unfortunately our store is under maintenance right now, which is okay. But yeah, I'll be glad to show you guys in a later date. So my goal for this channel is essentially to share my story and empower others my age to become financially independent. Because being able to understand the topic of finance is really going to help you in the long run, either when you want to start a business or really in any sense, because knowledge is priceless. And it is really important to understand the logistics and basics of how to start a business. And I'm hoping that I can instill some motivation in you or inspire you to help start and create your own business. So the concepts that I plan to discuss in this channel include habits for spending your money, and where to put it, and also investing, as I said, and essentially making your money work for you. And I also hope to instill inspiration in you to become an entrepreneur or be in your entrepreneurship journey. And I'm also going to be explaining why it all matters and why it's important to start businesses early at a young age and understand the topic of finance. And if these topics do interest you guys, please feel free to subscribe and like the video so we can get it out to more people. And yeah, and subscribe please so you can be tuned into the later videos that I do plan on posting. And yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful day today. Peace out, guys.